How's it going, guys? Carl here. Today in Power BI we're going to be showing you how to create a tree map visual. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to minimize this. So our tree map visual is located right here. It says tree map. So first things first, we're just going to go ahead and click on tree map, and I'm going to go ahead and move this over so it's about right here. And we have category, details, and values. Category and values are the ones we're going to use. Feel free to explore the other ones at your own pace. And I'm going to go ahead and start with categories. Our category is going to be our region, and our values is going to be the sales. So that'll show us basically what this is showing us is based on the regions. Our higher sales is our south, and our lower sales is the north, based on how it's showing the tree map size, right? So now let's go ahead and format this. So again, we have a size and style. So I like to just go ahead and add a border and shadow there. And our title, we'll get rid of the sum of, and we can change this font to do that. You can also change the horizontal alignment, and if you want to change the background color, you can do that here as well. And once we're done with that, you can turn your legend on if you want a legend, or you can just keep it off. It's totally up to you. You can change your colors, or you can do some advanced controls with your colors. And if you want to go ahead and change your colors, all you have to do is just select the color and just do that, and that will change your colors. You can turn on some detail labels if you want to do that. Your detail labels, once you fix your font, you can just say, I want to show my values here. So these are the values. As you can see, you can change the display units so you can see what the values are in each one. And you can also turn your category labels off if you want to do that. But since we don't have a legend here, we want to just go ahead and keep our category labels on. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create a tree map visual in Power BI. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and share. See you guys in the next one. Peace.